Hello friends, welcome back to Bhurag recipes. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. In today's video, you're going to see a simple and quick premix poha sweet recipe which you can make it very quickly whenever you have instant sweet cravings. So let's get started. In a hot pan, add 2 cups of thick poha and dry roast it until it is nice and crisp. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes to get nice golden color. Once it is done, transfer to a plate and let it cool down completely. Once it is at room temperature, transfer to a blender jar. And also add 1.5 cups of jaggery. And blend it coarsely. Once it is done, our poha premix is ready. Whenever you have sweet cravings, just scoop out a cup of poha mixture and prepare the halwa as follows. Now into the hot pan, add 1.5 cups of milk and let it bring to a boil. Now slowly add 1 cup of poha premix mixture into our boiling milk. And give it a quick mix so that there are no lumps. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes to cook. Poha will absorb all the milk immediately. You can see how thick mass it becomes. Now add 2 to 3 spoons of ghee and mix this well. And also add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. If you like, you can add more ghee as well. And give it a quick mix. How simple it is to prepare this halwa, right? You can store this prepared poha mixture in an airtight container for a month. For longer shelf life, you can even refrigerate it. Now serve our prepared halwa. As I like to have this halwa very simple, I didn't add any roasted nuts. If you want, you can add them as well. Let's taste it. And it is delicious. Now let's have a look into the ingredients on screen so that you can make it whenever you have time. As I like natural color of poha, I didn't add any food color. If you want, you can add a pinch of food color as well. Do try it and share your recipe pictures with me in Instagram and leave a comment in comment section. Thanks for watching. And also share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to check out my other recipes as well.